Countdown. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Who's that coming from somewhere up in the sky? Moving fast and bright as a firefly. Just when you think that trouble's gonna pounce, who's gonna be there when it really counts? Do that Care Bears countdown and send a wish out through the air.
And send a wish out through the air.
Just do that Care Bears countdown. Just when you need them, they'll be there.
Just when you need them, they'll be there.
Don't be afraid when clouds are brewing in your heart. If you can dream, just send a wish out in the dark and do that Care Bears countdown.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And then I shall be in charge of all the ice cubes in the world, because I am Dr. Meeks, ha-ha! Hi, I'm Sid. Welcome to my room.
Hey, Sid. Breakfast is almost... ready.
Bless you, Dad.
Thanks, Sid.
Dad's got a cold. Ugh. Mom and Dad keep telling me if I don't want to catch Dad's cold, I gotta wash my hands. Wash your hands before you eat. Wash your hands before you sleep. Wash your hands after you go to the bathroom. Boy, pretty soon I'm gonna have to wash my hands before I wash my hands. Well, what I want to know is, why? Why do I gotta keep washing my hands?
Sid, breakfast time.
Cool, I'm really hungry. Bah! Oh boy, breakfast time!